welcome back to my channel. This is the last question, that is question 4 for the Ghana WAEC question for this year 2024. So as we have here, that figure 3 shows two cylinders of different diameters intersecting at right angle, and this is diagram. So we're asked to draw the full size, the complete front elevation plan, and then development of cylinder X, which is this one. So diameter of the circular base of this particular cylinder is 50, and the distance from here to here is 30. The height of the vertical cylinder is 70, and then diameter of this cylinder X is 20. Alright, so let's go and see how this can be done. So what we need to do first is to draw a vertical center line. So we draw a vertical center line, so, and it goes like this. Alright, so then we draw a horizontal center line. Okay, so then we are going to take a measurement of 25, which is half of the diameter of the vertical cylinder. So 25, so there is it. Okay, so we draw a circle. So we draw a circle. Alright, so this is the top of the vertical cylinder. So from here, so we come up a little bit and we draw horizontal line. So this horizontal center line, I need to extend it. So because of that of the horizontal, the penetrating cylinder, so it goes like this. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to draw a vertical line. So from this point on the circle, so I will draw a vertical line like this, and here also we draw a vertical line. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 70 millimeters. 70 millimeters. So this is 70. So half of 70 is 35. So this is 35. So we need to get our center. Then we are going to draw horizontal center line through this center. So it goes like this. Okay, so then we complete this. So this is the top of the cylinder, the top edge of the cylinder. So there is it. Okay, so then we are going to make this line, so a thick line. Okay, so let me just, and then this line, so we make it a thick line. Okay, so then next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters, as we have that the length of the penetrating cylinder is 30. So we are going to draw a vertical center line through this, and it goes like this. Alright, so then next thing that I'm going to do is that, so as we have that the diameter of the penetrating cylinder is 20, so the radius will be 10. The radius will be 10. That's small. So radius is 10. So we take 10 millimeters. So putting it at this point, then we are going to draw a semicircle here. We draw a semicircle, and coming down here also, so we draw a semicircle. Alright, so this semicircle we are going to divide into 6 equal parts. Divide into 6 equal parts. Okay. Alright, so we also do the same thing here. Divide the semicircle into 6 equal parts. Alright, so then we are going to number the points here. So I will call this is 0. Okay, so this is 1, so this is 2, and this is 3. So this is 2, 1, 0. So for this one we alternate the numbering. So this will now be 0. Okay, So you have to change numbering. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this is 1, 2, and this is 3. So we have this. Then from here now, so I'm going to make this line. So this line will be a thick line, okay? And then so this line will also be a thick line like this. So every other line that we have here, so apart from, so this line will also be a thick line, okay? So every other line that we have here will be thin continuous line. So I'm going to use my red pen for that. So we just draw from here to touch this circle, and then so at 1 here, so we draw to touch the circle, and then coming down here, so we draw from 1, touch the circle, and from 2 we draw to touch the circle, okay? Why for this? So this line, so will be a thick line just to touch this cylinder, and also for this will be a thick line to touch the cylinder. Then so this line also will be a thick line, okay? So then we are going to draw from here, so it goes to the cylinder. So from 2 draw, it goes to the cylinder, okay? So from 2 here, so you draw, it goes to the cylinder, and this also goes into the cylinder. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the complete front elevation. But before that, so I'm going to make this line. So this line will be a thick line from here to here, and this line will also be a thick line from here to here. Alright, so looking at what we have here, so so for 0, so this is line 0 here, and then we have vertical line 0. So intersect this horizontal line 0 at this point, and also at this point, okay? So then for others, so for 1, so this is line 1 here, is line 1. So point 1, where this line 1 touch the circle here, we are going to draw a vertical line up. We're going to draw a vertical line up here. So we draw a vertical line like this. Alright, so it intersects 1 at this point. So this is the point. Okay, so then, so for 2, so we draw from here. Okay, so intersect 2 at this point. The last one is 3, so which is this point, where that horizontal line 3 meets the circle, draw a vertical line. So it intersects 3 at this point here. So what we are going to do now is to make use of our French curve to produce the curve in the front elevation. So this is it. Alright, so you can just join everything like this at once. Alright, so this is the front elevation, so we are done with that. So then question 4, we have answered question 4a and then 4b. So this is 4b, so which is the plan. Then question 4c, development of this pipe C or cylinder cylinder X. So that's what we want to do now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to set so I'm going to set it here. I'm going to produce it here now. Alright, so I'm going to the next thing I'm going to do is that we are going to calculate the diameter of the circular base of this cylinder. So the circumference of this cylinder is approximately 63 millimeters. So we are going to take a measurement of 63 millimeters here. So from this point, 63 millimeters. This is 63 millimeters here. Okay, so this is 3 millimeters we are going to divide it into so I will divide into 6 equal parts. I'll just divide into 6 equal parts. Okay, so we divide into 12 equal parts. Alright, so just take 5 millimeters each. So there is 1, 2, there is 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to pause the video and do that. Alright, so I've divided it into 12 equal parts. Then we are going to number. This is 0, 0. So the seam is not indicated, so we can just cut it anywhere. You can cut it up here. So what we have is the same as this. So this is 0, 0. So then we have 1, 11, 2, 10. Then we have 3. So this is 3, 9. Then we have what? We have 4, 8. So we have 5, 7. Then this is 6 here. Okay, so that's what we have. So we are going to erect a vertical line on each of these points. So here we draw a vertical line. Alright, so then I'm going to renumber this. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is before. So this is 4. Okay, so this is 5. And this is 6. So this is 7. This is 8. So this is 9. This is 10. And this is 11. So that is what we need to do to get it right. Okay. Alright, so then we take a compass. So from this 0 here, extend to this point. So on the cuff, so put it at 0 here. So make an arc here. At 0 here, so make an arc. So we also have the same thing for 6. So I'll just put at 6 here. So make an arc. So then the next is 2 to this point on the cuff. So for that is 1. So 1 and 11. So 1 goes with 11. So we have this. Then 2. Okay. So 1 and okay. Just let me take it one by one. So 2 goes with. So this is for 2. So 2. So here we have 2, 10. 2, 10. Okay, sorry. That's an error. We are making use of this straight line, not here. So I can see that on the cuff. So 2, 10. So this is 2. Then it goes with 10. So then we have what? We have 3. 3 and 9. So this is 3. And then 9. So next is 4, 8. Very careful. So be on the straight line, not on the semicircle. So this is 4, 8. Then last one is 5, 7. 5, 7. So this is 5. And this is 7. Alright, so all these points we are going to join them together with the use of a French cuff. So just need to dot them. Alright, so we take the French cuff, so we join them together. Alright, then here. Okay. Alright, so we're almost done. Okay, so then this is a climb. So this is the surface development of pipe X or cylinder X. As simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. So thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.